Imagine a data team at a company preparing to launch a new product. The data team is tasked with collecting and understanding the customer data to take informed decisions. Here comes the problem, that is understanding the patterns of the data. Hey, this is Gayatri. In this video, we are going to learn exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis is a critical step in data science and data analytics, which is used to understand the patterns of the data, which is helpful to take decisions. Suppose we have the data set. We don't have to use all the features to determine the output. We need some of the features. For that, we will use exploratory data analysis. Let's see how to do this. We all know. First step is we have to import the libraries and then load the data, and then we have to check whether we have missing values. If we are having missing values, we have to handle the missing values. If the column is numerical data, then we have to fill the values with mean or median. If it is a categorical data, we will fill that with mode. If we have more missing values, and if it is, suppose if pin code is missing, we can't fill the pin code randomly, right? So we will drop those columns. This is how we'll handle missing values. After that, we will see some graphs. To understand the patterns, we'll try to visualize some graphs, see the data in graphs. Then we'll decide which features are important, which are not important. Let's see how to do this. This is my EDA Google Colab notebook. Let's load the data. Here we have the files symbol, click this. And here we have this upload option, click this. And my dataset is titanic.csv. Click on open. Warning comes, okay. Now our dataset is loaded. First we'll import the libraries. How to do that? Import numpy as np. Import pandas as pd, and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and Seaborn. Okay, after importing libraries, we have to load the dataset. How to do that? Df equal to, we have this function called read_csv. My dataset is in CSV. So pd.read_csv and load the data. Here I am having path. So copy path from here and paste here. And run this command. Let's understand the data. For that, we have to see what data we are having. df.head, it will give top 5 rows. We are having passenger ID, survived, whether he survived or not, P class, which is first class, second class, third class, and name, their gender, age, etc. And let's check null values. To check null values, we have isNull.sum function. df.isNull.sum. Run this. We are having null values in age, cabin, and embarked. Age is a numeric column, so we have to fill this with mean or median. And cabin, we are having more missing values, so I'm going to drop this column. And embarked, it is a categorical data, so I will replace it with mode. Let's see how to do it. df of age, fill, and then df of embarked. And then I'm going to drop this also. Columns equal to tab. Just run this. Let's see whether we have null values or not. Now, in age column, we are not having any null values. Embarked, we are not having any null values. And we have dropped that cabin column. Let's understand the data. First, we'll see in P class how many people were survived. which gender survived the most. For that, we need one plot, which is count plot. plt dot figure, let's give figure size 10,5, and hue is nothing but we are comparing this with our output data. Survived. So let's give title also. plt dot title. Survival count by passenger class. See, here blue shows survived and orange shows not survived. Let's see, in first class, from first class, there are many people who are not survived, who are survived. And let's see, based on gender, same, plt dot figure survival count by gender. Let's run this code. Based on gender, how many people were survived and how many people were not survived. And let's see age distribution, histogram graph. For that, plt dot figure, we should give figure size, fixed size equal to 10,5, and KDE is true, we should give bin size, bin equal to 30. Histoplot and x is age, or we can check like df of age dot dropna, and then let's give a title, plt dot title, age distribution, and then let's see the graph. Show. We don't have to specify this data df. Still we got this graph. Let's remove this. Okay, bins. Let's run this. So this is our histogram plot, age distribution. Let's see heat map. You know how heat map is used. Based on correlation value among the features, you can select some of the features, which is used for feature selection. Let's see how to do this. We know, like, we want only numerical underscore df equal to df dot select. We should only select int and float values because these are numerical data. sns dot heat map let's remove this heat map of numerical correlation. We need anode equal to true, which gives values. cmap cool colors, it will give cool warm colors, and here is the title, correlation heat map, and we are showing this graph. Let's check. First thing, we should check survived with everything. Survived with fair, it is 0.26. Survived with parch, it is 0.082. With this negative correlation, 0.035. Likewise, we can understand the relationship among the features. And let's see pair plot. sns dot pair plot of due, no, this is not for numerical data. We are going to see pair plot with all the columns like age, fair, and then P class, and then survived. We will get pair plots for everything. P class is not an index. Why? Let's check the error. Once we'll run all the cells, sometimes it will show error. Still we are getting error, so I guess we'll remove this. Why we have to write that loop? See, it generated a pair plot with age with survived or not, and then this is survived with survived, and fair with age, fair with fair, and somehow it generated a pair plot. Let's see box plot. SNS dot box plot of x equal to P class, y equal to fair, and hue, and we need hue output label. Hue equal to survived, and here we got a title and show method. This is our box plot. Until now you get to know how to do EDA. Try to get a dataset from Kaggle and do the steps. If you are having any doubts, don't forget to comment down below. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.